Hey everyone, it's Brittany and we're doing my kitchen today. We're going to be working in the pantry and I'm going to be organizing it with what I have, just cleaning it out and just kind of getting all the stuff together. And then I'll also be showing you a little bit of a snack prep that I do for my kids and my husband for their weekly lunches. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below of anything else you'd like to see, and please don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it. Done now, and here is the pantry. I would like to be able to get to this top shelf eventually and maybe clear that out for my mother-in-law, maybe organize it, but for the most part it's pretty good. Let me just show y'all what we've got. Okay, we have these little baskets that hang up here that just keep some Ziploc baggies, and we have some pasta noodles and peanuts and stuff. And then over here I've just kind of put the sauces, the ones we use the most, up front and just kind of easier to grab. We have some cookbooks back there that are my mother-in-law's. And then I just kind of organized everything here. We do have these shelves that I got from the Container Store a while back for the canned goods, which I am obsessed with these. I love them. Whenever we get our own house, I will definitely keep these in my kitchen. Then I just have some chips and some more baggies and trash bags that we use often, and just all of our cups and kids stuff. Then we have this shelf that I like to keep all of our breads and snacks. Usually at the beginning of the week I do snack prep for my husband and kids for their lunches, so this is typically filled up with some snacks, and I like to individually bag snacks. Okay, come on, let's cut.
Okay. Hey guys. Hey guys. Welcome to our channel today. Hey,
Well then come on, cut it.
Okay. Hey guys, it's Allison and me. I'm Gracie. And here I can't help. Here we're just cutting some grapes and bananas. Yeah.
I really hope y'all liked that. I hope you got some use out of that. And please, like I said, comment down below anything else you would like to see. See you next time.